Hello everyone. So let's begin our Linux command series today. So today we'll be learning about a part of history command. So sometime you want uh, our history not to be stored. So sometime we run a command and we don't want it to be stored in the history file or history of commands. So we can achieve that using this way. So for that, I can show you that basically our history, whatever we run, that gets stored in .bash underscore history file. So here you can see when I have cat the bash history command, we have all a list of commands which we have executed earlier. So sometime we need to skip this or we don't want to add any command which we execute to history. So this can be achieved through this. So see, in the first line, here it says I have echoed, like this will be stored in history. So if I do run the history command again, like history hyphen tail minus n, like I'm tailing it from a last five numbers. So you can see like echo, this will be in history, is stored in the history. And so in the second command which I don't want to be stored, I have given it like this: echo this will not be in history. And after that I have done history hyphen d dollar sign history 1. So it will delete the last line or history from the end, one line from the end. So basically history hyphen d deletes an entry from that bash file, history bash file. And again, after running that, you can see when I executed history tail hyphen n 5 command, this command which I had run last, that which is echo this will not be stored in history, is not there in the history list. Okay, so you can see. So in the second picture you can see like if I do cat on bash history file, it does not stores the, this will not be in the history command echo file. So only this will be in the history is stored. So like this you can skip storing a command executed. Okay, so basically what history hyphen d does, it deletes an entry from this bash file and does not stores in the history. So you can also perform few other things. Suppose you want something in you have something in history and you want to delete an entry out of the history, then you can do history, get the line number. As you can see, line numbers are there, and you can give the history hyphen d and the line number to delete that exact history. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share this content. So we'll keep on learning. We'll keep on learning, and I'll keep bringing new commands to you. And now let's see how we run it in a terminal. I'll show you like practically how is it done in terminal. So thanks for watching. Let's meet again with some other command. Thank you. Okay. So as we have gone through the theory part of it, so let's do the practical, like how we can stop something to be stored in history. So let's run a few commands first. So I'll run df hyphen h ll. Okay, so just remember the sequence of command which we are running. So now let's echo this will store, this is in history 1. Okay, 2. Okay, so now let's do the run the history command. Okay, so look, so what we ran last, df hyphen h ll echo, this is one, this is one, and this. So last four command are this. Okay, so suppose now let's clear this up. So let's run any command which you don't want to be stored. So suppose echo the not in history one. Okay, so after this we'll try to remove. Okay, so let def hyphen h hyphen hi. Okay, hyphen h history hyphen d dollar sign history one. Okay, so what we done? So we have run this command. Okay, then we have df find. Let's do an ll modern tr history hyphen d dollar history one. Okay, so now echo not in history comma history hyphen d dollar sign history one. Okay, so look, so after this we have run three commands. Okay, this df hyphen h ll and echo not in history. Okay, so after this, so after echo not in history we have run three commands. So this should not be there in the history file. Okay, history command. Look, so what we did, we ran this. After this command we have run three commands, that is df hyphen h ll and history. It's not in history one echo. So like this you can avoid storing something to history command. Please use it like sensibly, don't use it for wrong reason. This is just for knowledge. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share our contents and help us to grow. Thanks very much for your watching this. Let's learn together.